Thanks. He like my mama.
Literally?
No. My mom reminds me every 5 seconds. That's your job.
I know it's a disgrace. He's
No, I love like when my mom says that. Like, she's like, you should buy him this.
Nick?
He pee at the leg of the chair too.
He just replaced
At the leg of the chair, not on the carpet, on the hard floor. Look at no! And she like he lifts it. He goes, and then just like little drops. He really will. He's just sad right now. We should do like a 3 weeks later. See if his mood lightens up. Can you imagine it doesn't? We have to just give him away. Bye bye, Lexter.
Alright, Kiki, so who's the new addition to the family?
This is Lexi. Sex.
And
Sad.
who is he replacing?
He's replacing me. And Courtney, because she's leaving. He like is taking me, Courtney, and Tom's place. That's what my mom says, and my dad.
Ha, you're a dad.
So how old is Lucky?
He's only 7 months old. He's just a little bit sad right now. He misses his mom. Too many people.
Ôi, lucky á, nhầm mà.
Where did you get him from?
I got him from New York, from Queens. So he's, you know, rich. Actually, I don't, is Queens rich? I don't know. I'm joking. Stop. He's comfy, don't worry.
Did you get anything for him yet?
Yeah. Then I have to get the bag.
Yeah.
Then you wanna hold so I can do my haul? He's ordered.
I got you, boy. I got you.
Alright, Kiki, so what do you got for him so far?
So we got him this food. It's the Wellness Complete Health. What? Natural ingredients plus nutrients for adult dog. This is the one that my friend's aunt owned him. This is the one that she's been feeding him. And obviously if you like switch the food like super fast, they're gonna get sick and like throw up, you know? So I was like, let's just stick with it because he looks good, he looks healthy. And then oh, this is the carrier I bought.
Okay. Are you gonna take him everywhere?
Yeah. He almost tried to jump out, but it's fine. We got him the puppy pads, but this brand is called Wee Wee Pads. Cause you know we're still trying to like potty train him. Like he knows how to go on the pads. He just needs to be familiar with it. And once we get into a routine of like taking him out in the morning and then in the afternoon, he'll know how to go outside. I hope. I pray. And then I got these wipes. They're wipes for dogs. Don't know how they're different than baby wipes. Says all the same stuff. Soothes with oatmeal, moisturizes with aloe vera. Like honestly, that sounds better than like a human product, but it's fine. I use this like if I bring him out and he's peeing, or if I'm just going on a walk, like I wipe his paws and his down there. Cause smells. What else did I get? I got this heavy duty stain in. I spent a lot of money.
Another expense.
You still need his what? For his box and stuff. Don't look at me.
This heavy duty, what is it? Nature's Miracle Advanced Severe Mess Enzymatic Formula. So when dogs come to a new area, I sound like an expert, but people they told me this within like the day that I've had him. Whenever he goes to like a new area, he wants to like mark his territory, so he'll literally just like lift his leg up and like pee in certain areas. Thank God he hasn't peed on the carpet. My mom would have already been giving him away. But so this says it's supposed to discourage resoiling by removing the odor. And then if he like pees on a carpet or something, like the stain comes out really fast. I mean, he peed like right like on the floor, like right near my feet, and I sprayed it and he still peed again. So it says that it's guaranteed to work or your money back. So it's looking like I'm getting my money back.
He won't sleep on the lap.
I got these treats for him. It's the Zooks Mini Naturals plus vitamins and minerals rabbit recipe. I didn't know dogs ate rabbits, but
No.
he likes them. And
Is rabbit in the ingredient?
no, but like it just says rabbit recipe. I don't know what that means.
I'm thinking it's chicken in there. Lucky. Lucky.
Say hi. He's a Shih Tzu Yorkie mix.
Oh yeah.
You didn't ask that.
He's a Shih Tzu Yorkie mix.
What's that mean?
I think his mom was a Shih Tzu. His dad's a Yorkie. And they had a baby. He's a hybrid.
Shorty.
Yeah. What else? I got him a 2-set collar. They're red. He's wearing one of them right now. It just has like white dog paws on it, but it comes with another one, which I'm happy about. Okay. And then, I got this ball from Petco. That's too big for his mouth, so I got the receipt. And then I got this harness from the previous owner, but it was too big for him. I had it on earlier today, and I went to a rest stop, and then I looked down, and half of it was off of him, so I had to grab him. Yep. And I think it was for maybe like his mom or something, but I guess we thought we could tighten it, but it still just came off.
I know one.
So show
Return
him
something.
the real.
No, yeah. So we bought a new one, like a but look at how small this is. Here, now
Alright, so what is he again?
So he's a Shih Tzu Yorkie mix.
And how long they live?
Well, dogs in general, I believe they live like 15 years. He's only 7 months, so he's gonna be here for a long time.
So you got another 15 years out of him?
He's already so big too for 7 months.
So who came up with the name?
That's what his name was. His previous owner did it. And we're just not gonna change it because he already knows like commands and tricks and stuff. So like we're just
Lucky is a good
Tom wants to name him Enrique.
No.
So
We
he's,
have no Spanish descent whatsoever.
so he's trained already?
Yeah, he knows how to sit and like lay down and then high five, but like you have to give him a treat. Being salty that she's upset that he poops more than once a day. She goes, you better only poop once a day. And then my mom walks in and goes, tell him not to pee anymore.
Wow, it's like
Funny, you know that you cannot let him try other sofas in the letter.
Matt, we don't put him on the sofa.
No, yeah, when you holding him.
So is he staying here or is he going to school?
I'm on my internship for 4 months starting January. So for the most part, like I still have my apartment at home, but he's gonna be here because I'm only on my internship and I don't have any schoolwork. I'm gonna come home a lot.
He's staying here. Even
Yeah,
if he go back
because
to
his
school.
brother is at school and we don't want to have 2 dogs at once. So then once she moves out at the end of the spring semester, I'm gonna take her there.
So Jai, who's gonna like watch him when everyone's at school?
gotta give him little booties.
In the morning before we come, she can boy. And then when he come back from school, she can take him out to the outside. And when he likes him out with her.
Yes. See, this means I don't have to do it.
But you know what? When the dog is attached to the family, you're not going to take him over there. Because nobody's staying with him. No, it's
I thought I was on my own. I was like, yo, what's gonna happen when I have a young
My
monster?
mom, every time she's like,
You're
yelling in his ear.
She's like, you're on your own. I'm not gonna
That's your dog.
I know, but sometimes if I have to work, you have to let him out so he can pee.
Yeah,
But I just met you a few hours ago. Don't act like I'm close.
Alright, we're gonna go get him a little comfy bed tonight.
But yeah, I'm gonna leave him here.
But don't let him walk.
And just his treats. Like no fruit, like nothing. Just cause like even if like he doesn't die because he doesn't eat normal food, he's gonna throw up. He can only eat that. And make sure chocolate especially he can't eat it. Like chocolate, it's like if Nick eats peanuts, he'll just die. So long.
Lucky, stop it.
Cha.
What are you doing?
Lucky, come here. Come here.
I dropped toilet paper roll and it rolled all the way. Oh, I thought you were gonna say it was in the toilet. I was like,
In the you know, the other day, the kind that I brought, what is that? The other kind is not good. It's always stuck.
yeah.
Yeah, it's clogged even though upstairs. Why don't you post one welcome Lucky here?
Why is he wearing pink?
The only thing they have that they could give.
Why? They ran out of black? Ran out of blue? Ran out of green? Is pink the only available color in this world? Did he pee when he was in here? He didn't pee? He didn't pee? Did he get scared? No, when Tommy came, he got scared. Like, he was so scared to point like he peed. Because Tom's too big, right? Tom's huge. He's scared. He gets scared. He doesn't bark. Wait, is Nick staying?
I think we really like that. You know that.
Yeah. Hurry up.
Okay, Courtney, who we got there?
We have Lucky Save.
I'm sorry, that cold. I'm sorry.
He's 7 months? He's a short. He's a Shih Tzu and a Yorkie Mix. But he's a baby. You learn, right? You learn because we yell at you. We yell at you. You say you can't, right? You feed on my stuffed animal 5 hours ago.
So what's the first adventure you guys want to go on?
Right now, I like running, so when it gets warmer, we're gonna run outside. So, you ready to run?
Oh, you're gonna take them out too, so you can, you know, get fit for your.
I'm sorry. We'll have to put him down because he wants to walk.
That's fine.